In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete blocked numbers on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Settings and then scroll down until you find Phone. Then get into it and then scroll all the way down until at the bottom you will find Blocked Contacts. If we get into blocked contacts, it will show us all the users we have blocked from calling us or texting us by their phone numbers and emails. If you want to delete any user from here and by doing that to unblock them, you can easily do so. Just swipe to the left at a phone number you would like to unblock and then tap at unblock. It will immediately remove that user from here. Unfortunately, we cannot unblock all the users at once, so if you want to unblock several users at once, you can hit add edit, and then in the same way you can hit add the minus sign and hit add unblock, minus unblock, just keep doing it until you unblock all the users you want. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.